Hi, it's Friday. It's Freedom Friday. Governor Westmore, sign or die 2024. You refuse to sign. I want exoneration of the Supreme Court, making a movie ain't against the law, covered under the First Amendment of the Constitution. All right? Covered under the First Amendment of the Constitution. These are the supporters of Shorties. We are imploring any and appropriate officials in the state of Maryland to assist Shorty in his efforts to find justice and complete justice in Illinois. These are the supporters of Shorties. All right? These are the supporters of Shorties. All right? And that's me, Shorty, a champion for justice. That's Kerry Cogwa from President Obama's office. That's Governor Larry Hogan and Al Redmer. Please allow 30 to 60 days for our agency to respond. Additionally, we will contact you as soon as we receive information concerning your case. All right? That's P.O. Box 38. I went home on vacation and came back on probation, and these people wrote a letter to support me. My son, Jake Davis, stole my business while I was locked up. They never gave them an audit. No taxes was paid in 2008. You made over $260,000. Insurance Incorporated, Al Redmer, the insurance agency, participated in this fraud. That's the IRS. 07CF4988. This is property that was stolen from me in Illinois, and you stole property in Maryland. This was a tape. It is hereby ordered any of the defendant's property to be evidence in the case from 2010 to be returned. All right? That's 074988. That's my property. We talking about right to property. All right? Right to property. Illinois and Maryland stole property. That property was videotapes. These was the tapes. We're going to play these tapes like Watergate for 2024, 2025. Remember the Stop Snitching video? I made a movie out of it. Number 1, 100 shares. Nobody owns me but me. I got all 100 shares, and I'm going to start selling shares of Shorty. Yeah. And there's going to be a pricey price. A movie all about Baltimore. Who wouldn't want to buy it? See the date? 12/29/2007. A Jailhouse Diary. I'm not Emmett Till. I don't stutter when I talk. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. And I was making a movie, The Great Race Debate. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? That's Dwayne G. Davis, 5/2008. 633B. I was an inmate. All right. I'm a whistleblower in the courts and the corruption in the courts in Illinois and in Maryland. That's the Department of Justice. Eric Holder, Eric Barron, Robert Hur, Robert Hardin, Judge Badar, Judge Mary Barbera, Judge Cox, Judge Janae, Judge Souter, Judge Rossetti, Judge Foreman. Yeah. We talking about voter suppression. We talking about the 13th Amendment. We talking about illegal incarceration. That's Shorty's Bootleg Barbecue. And that's when I started this. Get Shorty, 2006. See the date? See the store on Falls Road? That's my visit to City Hall, because y'all been silent on this. The movie was about City Hall. It was about Mayor Brandon Scott. It was about Sheila Dixon. It was about Governor O'Malley and his mom machine. See that? 12/22/2007. I paid for my January rent in advance because I was gone for that month. I was closed till February. See that? That's my lease. All right, 1/5/2008. That was for my lease. So I paid my lease and I was never evicted from that property. That's signed and dated. These are signatures in 2008. No taxes was paid in 2008. See the signatures? All right, that's James Hammond. See the date? 6/30/2008. I was locked up in another state. That's not my signature. That's my FBI ID number. All right. Interstate Compact. Notice of departure. See that? I didn't leave until 6/3/2008. See the date? James Hammond. 6/3/2008. I couldn't be in two places at what time? I couldn't be in two places at one time. That's Jake Davis. All right. That's his signature to match that check. All right, that's forgery. That's Hazel Norman. That's his shorty documentary. That's a Jailhouse Diary from 2011. All right, Commode Emotion. Tells you I was making a documentary about your judicial system. It's an MPT learning moment. We're going to learn something today. That's Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? That's the Stop Snitching video. You feel me? That's the Stop Snitching video. I own me. I own all parts of me. You feel me? I own me. So you can't use my name. You can't use my likeness. And the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts got my paperwork. Governor Westmore has my paperwork. All right? Governor Westmore has my paperwork. So in 2024, I want exoneration of the Supreme Court. That's Ozzie Newsome. That's Ed Mulatolo from the Ravens. These are the supporters of Shorties. That's Governor Schaefer and Shorty. These are the supporters of Shorties. All right? This is the property that you took from me in 1986. All right? 1986. Wish to return the property taken by Lake County in 1986, referred to failed return to the diary, the photo album, pledge sheets, and the supporters of Shorties. I'm a black Republican. I helped get Ehrlich elected. All right? And these are emails. That's Governor Hogan. We talking about voter suppression. All right? We talking about voter suppression. That's Governor Schaefer. That's Governor Ehrlich. And that's Governor Westmore. This is to prove I was making a documentary. Commode Emotion. All right? Toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. Toilet take your shit every day. Did you use the toilet today? You're going to think about me tomorrow. Because that's Shorty's Barbecue. Established in 1998. We talk about Monopoly. We talk about Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. Get caught, get cuffed. We talk about voter suppression. Governor Westmore, you got my paperwork. Governor Westmore, you got my paperwork. The real Westmore. And like I said, we put it in a book. Get this page together for you. That's Governor Westmore. And that's the letter to Governor Westmore. That's Governor Westmore. All right. And see who got it? Governor Larry Hogan, Speaker of the House Jones, Bill Ferguson, Delegate Smith, Attorney General Anthony Brown, Department of Justice Eric Barron, Mayor Brandon Scott, Scott Shellenberger, Ivan Bates, Chief Justice Mary Barbera, Judge Carrion, Judge Cox, Xavier Conway of the court, Judge Bernard Bell. See that? Timed and dated. I asked for exoneration or the Supreme Court. So Governor Westmore, what are you going to do? Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Yeah. It's all on you. You wear the mask, you got to put in the work. I'm a whistleblower for the prison industry. And that's the Department of Justice. You got that paperwork. I'm a veteran. I took an oath to defend my country against all terrorists, foreign and domestic. Scott Shellenberger is a domestic terrorist. All right? So Governor Westmore, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? The great race debate.